Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying support and updates. Check your model and install any pending iOS update. Next, physically prepare the device, remove cases or screen protectors, and gently clean the true depth camera area. You want no smudges or obstructions. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches. Then try Face ID again in good indoor lighting, holding the phone upright at eye level and maintaining the usual distance. This confirms whether basic environmental or hardware blockers were the issue. Now you move into deeper diagnostics. Go to Settings and reset Face ID, then immediately re-enroll your face, rotating your head slowly to capture all angles. While you do that, test related true depth features like portrait selfies and FaceTime to see if depth sensing works. These help isolate sensor faults. Also review attention-aware settings and make sure Require Attention is configured correctly. If re-enroll fails, pay attention to alignment, steady lighting, and whether any hardware damage is visible around the front sensors. For final remedies, back up your device and install the latest iOS. If problems persist, perform a recovery or DFU restore to rule out software corruption. Make sure to test Face ID after a fresh restore before accepting hardware service. If diagnostics indicate physical true depth failure, contact Apple or an authorized technician for sensor replacement. Troubleshooting tip: try enrolling a second appearance or a trusted alternate user. Failure there strongly points to hardware, so don't delay professional repair when re-enroll repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.